Assalamu alaikum. We will be learning some new vocabulary today. So let us start. We start with the family relations. Grandmother on the father's side is called Dadi, and grandmother on the mother's side is called Nani. Dadi from the father's side and Nani from the mother's side. Similarly, grandfather on the father's side is called Dada, and grandfather on the mother's side is called Nana. Again, Dada, father's father, and Nana, mother's father. Uncle is called Chacha if he's younger than the father, and he's called Taya if he's older than the father. Okay, so Chacha is father's brother who's younger than him, and Taya is father's brother who's older than him. Cousin is cousin in Urdu. Aunt, which is the wife of an uncle, which is Chacha, is called Chachi, and aunt, who is the wife of Taya, is called Tai. So Chachi and Tai. Father is Walid or Baap, Walid or Baap, and mother is Walida or Ma, Walida or Ma. Okay. Younger sister is Choti Behan, and older sister is Badi Behan. Older brother is Bada Bhai, and younger brother is Chota Bhai. Husband is called Shohar or Khamand, and the wife is called Bivi. Son is Beta, and daughter is Beti. Okay, so after the family relations, let's look at the first meeting, people meeting for the first time. So what kind of pleasantries and what kind of sentences that they need to speak to each other in Urdu. So in English is nice to meet you. आपसे मिलकर खुशी हुई. So next time when you see somebody for the first time, or even you see them once in a while, not very regularly, then when you meet them this time, you can say आपसे मिलकर खुशी हुई. Nice to meet you or pleased to meet you. What is your name? आपका नाम क्या है? Okay, the answer to this is मेरा नाम, then your name, है. For example, my name is Javed. So when somebody asks me, आपका नाम क्या है? Then I will say, मेरा नाम Javed है. Okay, the next one is, how are you? आप कैसे हैं? I have heard a lot about you. मैंने आपके बारे में बहुत सुना है. मैंने आपके बारे में बहुत सुना है। Where are you from? आप कहाँ से हैं? आप कहाँ से हैं? The answer could be I am from Islamabad. मैं इस्लामाबाद से हूँ। मैं इस्लामाबाद से हूँ। If you're from London, you can say मैं लंदन से हूँ। If you're from New York, मैं न्यूयॉर्क से हूँ। If you're from Kuala Lumpur, मैं कुआला लंपुर से हूँ, etc. This is for you. ये आपके लिए है. For example, if you're giving something to somebody, like a present or something, and it could be anything. So, this is for you. ये आपके लिए है. How many people are there in your family? आपके खानदान में कितने लोग हैं? आपके खानदान में कितने लोग हैं? Okay, the next is, can I sit here? क्या मैं यहाँ बैठ सकता हूँ? क्या मैं यहाँ बैठ सकता हूँ? What is this? ये क्या है? ये क्या है? How long will you stay? आप कितना अर्सा रहेंगे? आप कितना अर्सा रहेंगे? It was nice to meet you. आपसे मिलकर अच्छा लगा. आपसे मिलकर अच्छा लगा. So these are few sentences when you meet somebody for the first time and you exchange some pleasantries. Moving forward with our vocabulary today, let's talk about some feeling. Angry is गुस्से में. गुस्से में. So for example, if I need to say I am angry, then I will say मैं गुस्से में हूँ. मैं गुस्से में हूँ. Anxious is फिक्रमंद. फिक्रमंद. I am anxious. मैं फिक्रमंद हूँ. मैं फिक्रमंद हूँ. Bored. बेजार. बेजार. I am bored. मैं बेजार हूँ. मैं बेजार हूँ. Disgusted. कराहत वाला. कराहत वाला. Embarrassed. शर्मिंदा. शर्मिंदा. He is embarrassed. वो शर्मिंदा है. वो शर्मिंदा है. Great. बहुत अच्छा. बहुत अच्छा. I am feeling great. मैं बहुत अच्छा महसूस करता हूँ. मैं बहुत अच्छा महसूस करता हूँ. Happy. खुश. खुश. She is very happy. वो बहुत खुश है. वो बहुत खुश है. Horrified. खौफज़दा. खौफज़दा. That movie was horrified. वो फिल्म खौफज़दा थी. वो फिल्म खौफज़दा थी. In love. प्यार में. प्यार में. Lonely. तन्हा. तन्हा. Sad. दुखी. दुखी. He is sad today. वो आज दुखी है. He is sad today. वो आज दुखी है. Scared. डरा हुआ. डरा हुआ. Okay, now let's talk about some positive feelings and then some negative feelings. Let's start with the positive. Active. Chust. Chust. He is active today. वो आज चुस्त है. वो आज चुस्त है. Calm. पुरसकून. पुरसकून. Energetic. तवाना. तवाना. Funny. मज़ाहिया. मज़ाहिया. Honest. ईमानदार. ईमानदार. And hopeful. पुरुमीद. पुरुमीद. Interested. दिलचस्पी लेना. दिलचस्पी लेना. And kind. मेहरबान, मेहरबान. Proud, फख्र, फख्र. And relaxed, पुरसकून, पुरसकून. You've seen the calm means the same, pursakun. Calm and relaxed both mean pursakun. Satisfied, mutmain. He is satisfied, wo mutmain hai. Surprised, हैरान, हैरान. Okay, this was some vocabulary for the feeling positive. Now let's look at feeling negative. Annoyed, नाराज, नाराज. Confused, उलझा हुआ, उलझा हुआ. Disappointed, मायूस, मायूस. Exhausted, थका हुआ, थका हुआ. Frightened, खौफज़दा, खौफज़दा. Frustrated, मायूस, मायूस. Miserable, आफत ज़दा, आफत ज़दा. Nervous, घबराया हुआ, घबराया हुआ. Silly, अहमक, अहमक. Terrible, खौफनाक, खौफनाक. Upset, परेशान. For example, he's upset today. आज वो परेशान है. Worried, परेशान, परेशान. Both upset and worried mean परेशान in Urdu. Okay, so these were some vocabulary for the feelings. Now let's move forward with expressing yourself. Like I was having some sentences for you. Now these are properly written ones here. I am little sad. मैं थोड़ा उदास हूँ. मैं थोड़ा उदास हूँ. I'm anxious today. मैं आज फिक्रमंद हूँ. मैं आज फिक्रमंद हूँ. I am super happy. मैं बहुत खुश हूँ. मैं बहुत खुश हूँ. I'm angry at him. मुझे उस पर गुस्सा है. मुझे उस पर गुस्सा है. I am excited for tomorrow. मैं कल के लिए पुरजोश हूँ. मैं कल के लिए पुरजोश हूँ. I am annoyed by what has happened. जो कुछ हुआ मैं उसकी वजह से नाराज हूँ. जो कुछ हुआ मैं उसकी वजह से नाराज हूँ. I was embarrassed yesterday. मैं कल शर्मिंदा था. मैं कल शर्मिंदा था. I am feeling great today. मैं आज बहुत अच्छा महसूस कर रहा हूँ. मैं आज बहुत अच्छा महसूस कर रहा हूँ. I am frustrated. मैं मायूस हूँ. मैं मायूस हूँ. Okay, now after the feelings, let's move to the body parts. Ear is kaan, kaan. Mouth, muh, muh. Nose, naak, naak. Hair, baal, baal. Chin, thodi, thodi. Eye, aankh, aankh. Neck, गर्दन, गर्दन. Tongue, zuban, zuban. By the way, both tongue and language, the words tongue and the word language, they both mean zuban in Urdu. Number 9 is cheek, gal, gal. Lip is hond, hond. Forehead, peshani, peshani. Eyebrow, bhame, bhame. Head, sar, sar. Shoulder, kandha, kandha. Shoulder is also called shana. So kandha or shana. Hand is hath, Heart and chest is सीना, सीना. Back, कमर, कमर. Navel, नाफ, नाफ. Finger, ungli, ungli, and the plural is ungliयां, ungliयां. And the foot is पाँव, पाँव. Leg, टांग, टांग. Knee, घुटना, घुटना. Arm, बाजू, बाजू. And ankle is टखना, टखना. Now after the body parts, look at the 5 senses that we have. Taste, जायका, जायका. Sight, नजर, नजर. Hearing, समात, समात. Touch, छूना, छूना. And smell, सूंघना, सूंघना. Okay. Moving next to the numbers. 0 is sifar. 1 is ek. 2, do. 3, teen. 4, char. 5, panch. 6, छः. 7, सात. 8, आठ. 9, 9. And 10, 10. So let's repeat. सिफर, एक, दो, तीन, चार, पाँच, छः, सात, आठ, नौ, 10. Now we will learn some vocabulary about weather. Okay, so sunny, धूप, धूप. For example, if I say it is sunny today, then I will say आज धूप है, या आज धूप निकली है. Cloudy, अबर आलूद, अबर आलूद. Rainy, बारानी, बारानी. We can also say बारिश, बारिश. Windy, तेज हवा, तेज हवा. Misty, धुंधला, धुंधला. Snowy, बर्फानी, बर्फानी. Stormy, तूफानी, तूफानी. Clear, साफ, साफ. For example, the sky is clear today. आज आसमान साफ है, आज आसमान साफ है. Hot, गरम, गरम. Warm, गरम, गरम. You see, for both hot and warm, the basic word is in Urdu garam. However, to show the intensity of the hot, we can say बहुत garam, meaning too hot. बहुत garam versus warm, which is only garam. For example, this water is warm, ये पानी गर्म है. And this water is hot, ये पानी बहुत गर्म है, ये पानी बहुत गर्म है. Cool, ठंडा, ठंडा. And cold, सर्दी, सर्दी. It is cold today. आज सर्दी है, आज सर्दी है. The weather is cold. मौसम सर्द है, मौसम सर्द है. Okay, moving forward. Weather accessories. Hat, topi, topi. He is wearing a hat. उसने एक टोपी पहनी हुई है. उसने एक टोपी पहनी हुई है. Gloves, दस्ताने, दस्ताने. My gloves are old. मेरे दस्ताने पुराने हैं. मेरे दस्ताने पुराने हैं. Old in this case would be पुराने. Parasol, धूप की छतरी. धूप की छतरी. And rain boots, बारिश के जूते. बारिश के जूते. Raincoat, बरसाती, बरसाती. And scarf could be a scarf as mentioned here, or it could be dupatta. Dupatta. Sunglasses, धूप की ऐनक. धूप की ऐनक. My sunglasses are black. मेरी धूप की ऐनक काली है. मेरी धूप की ऐनक काली है. Sunscreen is sunscreen in Urdu. Sunscreen. Umbrella is chhatri. Chhatri. I lost my umbrella. मेरी छतरी गुम गई है. मेरी छतरी गुम गई है. Okay, now let's look at some words from the weather forecast area. Blizzard, बर्फानी तूफान. बर्फानी तूफान. Cloud, बादल. बादल. Fog, धुंध. धुंध. It is fog outside today. आज बाहर धुंध है. आज बाहर धुंध है. Or it is very foggy. आज बहुत धुंध है. आज बहुत धुंध है. Heat, गर्मी. गर्मी. Hurricane, समंदरी तूफान. समंदरी तूफान. Ice, बर्फ. बर्फ. Bring me some ice. मुझे बर्फ ला दें. मुझे बर्फ ला दें. Lightning, आसमानी बिजली. आसमानी बिजली. Mist, धुंध. धुंध. Rain, बारिश. बारिश. It is raining outside. बाहर बारिश हो रही है. बाहर बारिश हो रही है. Shower is also बारिश. बारिश. Snow, बर्फ. बर्फ. It is snowing. बर्फबारी हो रही है. बर्फबारी हो रही है. Storm, तूफान. तूफान. Sun, सूरज. सूरज. Thunder, गरज. गरज. Tornado, tornado. Tornado. And the wind is हवा. हवा. Fast wind is blowing. तेज हवा चल रही है. तेज हवा चल रही है. Okay, so these were some vocabulary things for you on different subjects. I hope that you will practice them at home and you learn them by heart so you can use them in sentences. I hope also that you enjoyed the lesson. Khuda Hafiz.